guys, today we're going to be reviewing this Nano wired controller. So here we go. Here is the controller when it's in the box. This is the cord. And instructions, I don't know what for, but they're there. This was the box, the box. It's all ripped up now, it's kind of cool. If you want to read any of that part of the video, I don't really know what I'll learn from it. Now we'll open this. Open this up. This is a nice controller here. And we'll take off this wrap that's on it. Pretty satisfying. And it's a pretty nice controller. Buttons are nice, the triggers at the top are nice, the analog sticks are nice, this button is nice. They seem pretty nice. And then we have a switch right here. I'll plug this in to show you how it works. Just taking out the trusty cord that comes in with it because it's not a wireless one. I do like not wireless because it's nice for you don't have to charge it, which is nice. So just taking this cord out really quick. And then, oh, you have to plug it into the USB. But we won't do that right now, actually. And out of 10, it's a really nice controller. It's smaller, it's a Nano controller. But I think it's really nice. And the top's nice. This is the side of it, back of it. Pretty nice. I think it's a really good controller. You can go get yourself one of these.